Hi guys, it's me, Jolitz po. Isasama ko ngayong anak ko, si Javie. Alamin niya kung anong klaseng truck ang papanoorin namin. Tsaka Inglesero to eh. Kaya behave na lang ako sa likod. Bye.
Team.
Again.
Today need some trucks. It's clapping.
Yeah, say hi.
Hi. Today need some trucks, team.
Yeah.
There's a lot of trucks, team. There's a lot of trucks, team. This is a flatbed truck.
Yeah.
The superhero of cargo,
flatbed
meet a flatbed truck, a hero with an open
What kind of
back,
truck is
ready
that?
to carry
Flatbed
massive loads
truck.
of building blocks,
What?
giant
Flatbed
toys,
truck.
and even
Flatbed
superhero
truck.
capes.
Yes, correct.
It's the
Papa.
cargo champion
am I
of the
correct?
roads.
Wow, it's too long.
Yeah. It's too long.
Bye bye. Bye bye, flatbed
That's
truck.
too long.
Bye bye,
Military truck.
flatbed truck.
And the next?
These trucks are like guardians of the nation, designed for the brave men
Again?
and women in uniform.
Military
They
truck.
transport troops,
Military
equipment, and
Military truck.
supplies,
Military
ensuring
truck.
safety and security.
The next one is military.
Again?
Military truck.
Military truck.
Military truck.
Military.
Military
Off-road truck.
Yeah.
Off-road truck. Off-road truck.
Off-road
What is
trucks
that?
are the daredevils of the truck world, venturing
Hey,
off the
hey,
beaten
hey,
path.
it's two buses.
They tackle
It's
rough
slowly.
terrains, making
Yeah.
them essential for
Boom,
exploration
boom,
and
boom, boom,
adventure.
What they're doing?
Move. Really right. It's 2 a.m. Oh, shit. Off-road truck.
The next one?
Container truck.
Military truck.
Picture
What?
a truck carrying huge metal boxes like a
Container
puzzle.
Container truck.
Container
Yeah.
trucks move goods across oceans
What
and
do you call that?
continents, connecting
Container truck.
faraway places.
Container truck. Ano?
Container truck.
Oh, okay.
It's weird. It's too big. Race truck. Race
Rally
truck.
truck.
Race truck.
What is that?
Race truck.
No, rally truck.
No.
Rally trucks are the
No, that's a
speedsters
rally
built
truck.
for thrilling races with challenging terrains.
Rally truck.
Yeah.
They zoom through dirt
Race
and
truck.
gravel, captivating racing
Hey, it's
enthusiasts.
2 buses.
Yeah.
It's 2 go. 3, 2, 1, 2. It's garbage truck.
Yeah.
It's garbage truck. Again. Yes.
Garbage truck.
Ooh, it's a
What is that?
It's a garbage truck.
Meet the cleanup
Yeah.
crew.
That one?
Garbage trucks keep our neighborhoods
Take it,
clean,
take it.
collecting
No,
and
that one.
disposing of waste to maintain a healthy
That one.
environment.
Rescue garbage truck.
Very good. And again?
And on to the real
Auto transporters.
Auto.
Auto.
Auto transporter.
Auto transporter.
Auto transporters are
Auto.
like giant carriers
No.
for cars.
It's
The auto
They carefully
transporter.
transport
Transporter.
vehicles to different locations,
Too long.
ensuring they
What?
arrive safe and
Too
sound.
long.
yeah, auto transporter. And that one?
Tanker truck. Yes, tanker truck.
Tanker truck.
Really? Is that tanker truck?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh no, the more tanker truck.
Yeah.
Tanker trucks are like
Two
traveling
tanker
reservoirs, transporting liquids such as fuel or chemicals.
Red.
Red
They
and
play a crucial role in keeping our industries running.
And
what is that?
fire rescue truck. Fire rescue truck.
Very good.
Fire rescue
that?
truck.
Fire rescue truck.
Fire rescue truck.
Wow. Wow.
Fire
wow,
rescue
wow.
truck,
Wow, wow,
dressed
wow.
in bright red. Fire rescue
What
trucks
the sounds
rush
of
to
the
the
fire
rescue
rescue
during
truck?
emergencies.
Wheel.
They carry
Wheel.
firefighting equipment and
Yes.
brave firefighters
Papa.
ready to
Wait,
save the
wait.
day.
Am I correct?
Yep. Snowplow truck.
What is that?
Snowplow truck.
Snowplow truck.
Snowplow
Yes,
truck.
correct, Papa.
Wow. Am I correct?
That is correct.
Snowplow
Look at
truck.
that, look at
When
that.
winter covers
Wow,
the land in a
it's
blanket
cool.
of snow,
Snow.
snowplow trucks emerge as the heroes clearing the roads, ensuring
Snowplow.
safe passage for everyone.
Bulldozer?
Snowplow truck.
Ah, okay.
There are 2 snowplow. Fire truck. This is fire truck.
What?
Fire truck. This fire truck.
Fire truck?
Fire
Fire
truck.
truck.
Again.
Fire truck.
Again.
Fire truck.
Fire
What tool
truck
is that?
with sirens
Fire
wailing,
truck. It's
fire
red.
trucks race to
Really?
extinguish
It's red.
flames and
Yeah,
save
very
lives.
And that one?
Blue.
They carry
Blue.
water and equipment
Blue
to
and?
combat fires and keep us
Blue
safe.
and?
Red.
Okay.
Is
And that one?
like light stocking truck.
What?
Light stocking truck.
Livestock truck.
No! Light
Livestock truck.
Livestock truck.
Yes, correct, Papa.
It's a livestock truck.
Livestock truck.
Yes,
Imagine a
correct,
truck
Papa.
full of
Am I
fun
correct?
friends.
Yes,
Livestock
It's
trucks
too
transport
good.
animals, ensure
light stocking truck.
And that one?
Logging truck.
Logging truck.
What?
the
Logging
forest
truck.
explorer.
Logging
Once
truck.
upon a time,
Yes, correct,
in the heart of the
Papa.
forest, there
Am I
was a
correct?
logging truck.
What is that?
With its sturdy design, it
Correct.
carried giant logs from the woods to help build homes and create paper for magical stories.
Bye-bye, Logging truck. Tow truck.
What is that?
Tow truck.
Tow truck.
Tow truck. What color does the truck?
It's
The
red.
roadside hero.
And that
Meet the
auto.
tow truck, a
My
true
truck.
hero of the roadside.
Oh, hey!
When cars
It's
felt
there.
sad
I
and
told
couldn't
you I
move,
can
the tow
turn
truck
on
arrived with a
another
magical
tow
hook
This
to
sounds like
lift them
tow truck.
up and carry them to safety.
Really?
Another one. Ah! The delivery truck. See?
And again, that one.
Emergency support unit truck.
Emergency support.
The
No.
emergency support unit
No,
truck
the
was like a
emergency support unit.
superhero
Truck.
filled with
Yes,
blankets,
correct,
food,
Papa.
and
Am I
comforting
correct?
things.
Yes.
That was an
It
emergency
rushed to
support
places
unit
where
truck.
people needed help,
Yes,
turning
correct,
frowns
Papa.
into smiles.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Give me 5.
It's road to train. It's
Give
road,
me. What is that?
road to train truck.
Road train truck.
It's
Long
Load trains
too
truck.
big.
and long.
It's too big.
Picture a
long.
long train on wheels. That's the
Big
road train's
road-
truck.
Road to train
It
truck.
linked trailers
Road
together,
train truck.
carrying
It's
goods
too
on a
long.
grand adventure across vast lands, just like a friendly convoy.
Is it?
That one.
Is it really pickup truck?
Yeah, it's
In the heart of the city,
No,
the
police
NYPD pickup
pickup
truck
truck.
patrolled the
Very good.
streets,
Police
keeping
pickup
everyone
truck.
Very
safe.
good.
It's too big.
Its flashing lights
What
and
happened?
friendly officers made sure smiles were the order of the day.
Yeah.
Wheel.
Wheel.
It's the
And
train truck.
what?
Fire crane rescue truck.
Fire crane rescue.
When danger
No,
lurked high
fire
above,
crane
the
rescue
fire
truck.
crane
Very
rescue
good,
truck
Javie.
soared to the rescue.
It's too
With its
long.
towering crane,
Wheel,
it reached for the
wheel.
stars,
Police
bringing
truck.
safety and
Fire
peace to the city.
Train rescue truck.
Yeah.
Wheel.
Wheel.
Mixer truck.
What is that?
It's a truck.
Mixer truck.
Whoa.
Mixer truck.
What color is that?
Oh, it's steering.
The
What
concrete
color is that?
chef. Imagine a truck that was also a chef.
What color
That's
is
the
that?
mixer truck.
And
It mixed and stirred, creating magical concrete that helped build
More yellow
playgrounds,
truck.
schools, and houses.
Mixer truck is cool.
really.
What is it?
And
No, tow truck.
NYPD tow truck.
NYPD tow truck.
The NYPD tow truck was like a giant broom for the streets.
Am I correct?
Yes.
When cars needed a
Bye-bye.
little nudge, it came to
Bye bye. And that one?
Police. Maybe dump truck.
What?
Maybe ding dump truck.
NYPD
What?
dump
moving
truck.
mountains of
Maybe
stuff.
ding dump
The
truck.
NYPD
Maybe
dump
ding
truck
dump
was the
truck.
king
Again?
of moving
Maybe ding
things.
dump truck.
It could
Maybe
carry
ding
mountains
dump
of
truck.
sand, rocks,
Maybe
or
ding
even
dump-
superhero-sized
Maybe
loads,
ding
making the
dump
city a
truck.
better place.
Ding dump truck.
And that one?
Tow truck.
Whole truck.
It's too big.
Yeah.
Haul truck.
Haul truck.
The heavy lifter, deep in the mines, the haul truck worked tirelessly. It carried precious minerals, like a strong giant helping to build the world we live in.
My haul truck. It's mail truck.
What is that?
Mail truck.
What's the color of the middle truck?
White.
Mail truck.
White.
Zooming through neighborhoods, the mail truck was the messenger of joy.
It's
It delivered
a
letters
mail
and
truck.
packages,
Yeah.
connecting families and friends with surprises and smiles.
Really?
Yo.
Is it wool?
Yeah.
That one?
Dump truck.
What's the color of the dump truck?
It's yellow. It's gray. It's gray.
And
Dump truck.
Gray.
gray.
It's gray.
The mighty
dump truck.
mover, last but not least,
It's
the
still
dump
Scooby.
truck was the mighty mover.
And what
With
about
its
a
big
tow
bed,
truck?
it hauled away dirt and rocks, making room for new adventures and
Bye, dump
discoveries.
Okay. Bye bye.
Again.
Bye. See bye.
Again.